Are inefficiencies in your documentation process slowing down your operations and causing delays? Is a lack of standardization in your documentation leading to inconsistencies and errors? We at Docsie understand that in the machinery manufacturing industry, clear and well-organized documentation is absolutely essential. Here's how Docsie can revolutionize documentation across several critical areas. Let's begin. First off is operating manuals and instructions. Creating and maintaining operating manuals and instructions has traditionally been a tedious and expensive process. With Docsie, teams can collaboratively author, update, and manage these documents in one centralized, cloud-based system. Key benefits include version control to ensure the latest instructions are always available, collaboration tools for input from engineers/operators, and easy digital distribution to reduce printing costs. Next is assembly guides. Detailed and clear assembly instructions are vital for efficient manufacturing and maintaining product quality. Docsie allows you to create engaging, multimedia assembly guides with videos, diagrams, step-by-step directions, and more. You can use pre-built templates for consistent formatting and instantly update guides when processes change. Next is engineering drawings and documentation. Engineering drawings and documentation form the backbone of machinery design and manufacturing processes. With Docsie, you get a secure, centralized repository for all drawings that engineers can annotate and revise directly. The platform also integrates with CAD and other engineering software. Next is spare parts catalogs. Having a complete and accurate spare parts catalog is crucial for minimizing downtime during maintenance. Docsie lets you create dynamic, multimedia parts catalogs that are easily searchable and instantly accessible to maintenance teams and customers. Next is safety documentation. Comprehensive safety manuals are required for workplace compliance and safety. Docsie helps you efficiently create, manage, and distribute up-to-date safety docs that meet regulations. Employee access is easy, and you get audit trails for all changes. Thanks for watching this far. We got many more other utility for machinery manufacturers. By using Docsie, machinery manufacturers can reduce documentation time and costs while improving accuracy, compliance, and accessibility. You get the tools to transform operating manuals, assembly guides, engineering docs, parts catalogs, and safety materials. In a machinery manufacturing industry focused on precision and efficiency, Docsie provides the streamlined, cost-saving approach you need for managing critical documentation. To truly appreciate the full capabilities of Docsie, we recommend scheduling a live demo. Our team will walk you through the platform and demonstrate how Docsie can address your specific business documentation needs.